Hi, it's me, K10, and I can't wait to show you what I found. Take a look. This is a mailbox, and this is a really special box because you can take a letter, put it inside, and it will go anywhere that you want it to go as long as you write the address on it and put a stamp on. Isn't that cool? It's like a plane ticket for an envelope. Hey, wait a minute. I would love to have an envelope to send a letter in. This gives me a clever idea for a Crafternoon. We can make an envelope, put a letter inside, and mail it to a friend. Yes, I can't wait to do it. Come on, let's go. Whoa, okay, so we need to make an envelope to mail a letter so that it can go in the mailbox. So let's pick a piece of paper. What color should we? Maybe we should pick white because then we can decorate it. And then you could see the address on it clearly too. So to make an envelope, we want to first decorate the inside. And I'm going to do that with markers. So I'm going to take my markers out. And I'm going to take a blue marker. And I'm going to make a pattern on this paper. So I'm just going to start with, it's not really, the pattern is just blue lines. They'll make it a more fun pattern in a bit. I'm just drawing along this paper. How fun is this? So this is going to be the side of our paper that is the inside of the envelope. So when the person who gets a letter opens it up, they're going to see this really cool print on the inside. Maybe I'm going to do a pattern with green. So our pattern will be blue, and then we'll do a green line. So that's kind of our pattern here. Blue, green, green. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make a square. And how you make a square is fold this paper just like this and make it line up just like that. And then you're going to use your thumbnail and you're just going to go like that and like that. And by folding this over, that makes a square, and we just need to cut this part off. I'm just going to use my scissors to cut it. And I think what's fun about this is I can use this to write the letter that goes inside the envelope.
Snip, 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 snip.
Check that out. We made a square piece of paper. So what we're going to do is now that it's folded this way, we're going to need to fold it the other way. So you just take your triangle and you fold it like this. And you just use your thumb to make a crease, like that. Nice. So you have kind of now, you have kind of like 4 triangles on your paper. And we can even work to crease this even more because it's going to be important that you know where each part of this paper is. So we're going to turn this so it's like a diamond, and I'm going to do a little mark in the center so I know where I'm going. So I'm just going to do a little mark. Boop. So that's the middle of our paper. So we can use that to help us along with making our envelope. And we're just going to start folding these lines right into the middle. Just like so. And then we'll do this side. And then we'll do this side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this one. It's going to go to here. So I'm going to make a little dot here so we know where that one goes. And this is going to cross over these, and this is going to be how our envelope is going to be nice and sealed shut. So it's going to fold right here, just like that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. It's now looking really like an envelope. And because we want this to look nice when we open up the envelope, what we're gonna do is we're going to glue this like so, and we're just going to fold this over. So now that we've folded this over, we're going to fold this up, and we're going to glue this part like that and like that. So then when it goes up, it just connects nice and easy, just like that. And that is our envelope. How cool is that? And so when we mail it, we're just gonna use tape to close it up. But I think what we should do is, because we're going to put the address on the front, I think we should put something fun on the back. So I was thinking, what is more fun than a
Rainbow!
I would love to paint a rainbow on the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a little bit of my tape. I'm gonna make a tape loop, like so. I'm just gonna stick it right there. Keep that down so we could start to paint. So to paint a rainbow, I'm going to need rainbow colors. This is our rainbow colors. We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. How fun is that?
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet are the colors that make up a rainbow. We love rainbows.
So I have my water here, and I'm going to take a paintbrush. I like this one. And we're just gonna start with our red, and let's do a big arc. We're gonna go from one corner of our envelope all the way up and over and down. Okay, I'm gonna swoosh, 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 swoosh. Woo, that turned the water pink. All right, I got some paper towel that I can dry this off on. And now we're gonna go into the orange, and we're going to paint an arc, just like so, up, up, up. Wow, my friend is gonna love getting a letter in this envelope. So all we need to do is write her a letter. Hello. So now that we have our envelope, I'm going to take the card that I wrote for my friend. I'm gonna put it inside, and I'm gonna use some tape to seal up my envelope, so make sure that it gets there nice and safe. Just gonna put one right here, and then I'm gonna put some tape on these sides, and that. Now on this side, we have to address our envelope to my friend. I'll have to look up her address, and I'm gonna put my name right up here, and we're gonna need to put a stamp on it. I'm gonna put one stamp right there, and check it out. This is our Crafternoon creation. We made an envelope from a piece of paper, and now it has a beautiful rainbow on it. Yes, I can't wait to put this in the mailbox. And speaking of the mailbox, let's go right now. Come on. We have our letter, yes! And I even put a stamp on it. I can't wait to put it in the mailbox. Okay, here we go. Goodbye, envelope. Thank you for being such a fun craft. 1, 2, 3. Bye, letter. Wow, I can't believe we made our very own envelope, and now it's gonna go on a trip to my friend. Maybe they'll take a van or a truck or a plane. Who knows? It's gonna have a really fun journey. Well, Thank you so much for having another Crafternoon with me, K10.